Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to record your screen with your mobile phone. If you are using iPhone, it's very simple. I'm going to show you steps on how to record your mobile screen. So before we jump to that, please subscribe to this channel. If you are first time here, do subscribe to this channel and put on the post notification for more videos like this, so that whenever we drop a update like this, you'll be first or second to get notified. Okay, please stay with me. Let's jump to the video. So now what you need to do is, just if you're using Apple phone, it's very simple. Go to your settings, scroll down and go to control center. And when you go to control center, then you see all these things. Look at, you just, what you need to do is just to add your screen recording. When you add it, what you need to do, you come here and put it on. You click it, look at it here, it's on already. So you put it on like this. Then after you put it on, you see it started recording. So as it is, you go back, look at it, it's here, it's already recording. That is just it. If you are using Android phone, what you need to do, go to Google Play and download, just write screen record. You will see many screen record. You download anyone, then now click on it. He will show you steps. So follow the procedure that I'm going to show you there. It's very simple. Then you are free to go to record whatever thing you like. Now this thing we are doing here is recording in our mobile. So that is just it. For example, this thing that we're doing, look at my Instagram. God, let's go to Instagram and see what I'm saying. Look at all these things here. Is recording. So now this is our result. What you have been recording with my mobile phone here. So you can just go ahead and edit your video, whatever thing you use it to edit. So you go ahead and edit your video the way you want it. What you need to do, when you click to your, it will automatically move to your photo. When you click your photo and you see the video, now up icon here, you click edit icon, so you can edit your video to the way you want it, after doing that. So what you need to do is done. When you click done, they will show you two options. In these two options, just click as a video. That is it. It will load. Fine. That is all. Please subscribe to my channel and put on to the post notification. Share to your friends that may like to see this. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday.